Fiber Cable Solution Technology Company Limited, FCST, founded in 2003 in Shanghai, China, start the business of fiber optic equipments. From humble grown to be a global company. After more than 20 years of development, FCST has 3 bases in China and 4 overseas offices. It has a total staff of 150 people, and its workshops cover an area of 12,000 square meters. Its products are sold to 118 countries and regions. FCST has an R&D team of 15 people, as well as a complete testing system and certification system. It has obtained ISO 9001 certification, REACH certification, RoHS certification, and SGS certification. Our mission is to develop the whole fiber blowing solutions to better FTTX, better life. Vision become the global leader in fiber blowing solution. Values professional, accurate, prompt, reliable. Happy working, healthy living. FCST provides customized services for different customer groups. For operators, we ensure the delivery of high-quality products, support local service centers and emergency inventory, and offer ODM/OEM customization as well as fiber blowing solution design. For contractors and engineering companies, we provide full-range fiber blowing products, technical support, on-site engineering guidance, and support one-stop procurement and customization. FCST is a key link in the long value chain that makes up the connected world. The management efficiently manages the team and firmly operates the company in accordance with ESG requirements. FCST vigorously promotes the green and low-carbon transformation of the enterprise and invests photovoltaic equipment in the factory with an installed capacity of 200 kilowatts. A total of 364 solar photovoltaic panels are laid, generating 207,500 kilowatts of electricity per year, and can reduce 216.71 tons of carbon dioxide per year compared with traditional coal-fired thermal power, contributing to the world's early carbon neutrality.
We are committed to provide the best underground cable installation solutions for the FTTX industry. We will keep innovating and contributing to the construction of global fiber networks.